What is the secret to the perfect Christmas bite? It is not just the meat, it is the sauce. Today, we make a spicy cranberry apple chutney. It is the perfect partner for rich dishes and the star of your holiday table. The recipe for this crispy pork belly is coming next, so make sure you are subscribed.
For the apple, I remove the skin for a smoother texture. Did you know apples are rich in pectin? This natural thickener is what will give our chutney that perfect jam-like consistency without adding starch. Now the soul of the chutney, the spices. We crush the cardamom pods to release their seeds. Here is a pro tip. Always toast your cumin seeds. Heating them for just 30 seconds on medium heat wakes up the oils and intensifies the flavor. We build the flavor layer by layer. First, onions for sweetness. Sauté them on medium heat until soft. Then, fresh ginger for that warming kick. Once the kitchen smells amazing, we add the cranberries. These tart berries are full of antioxidants. In Greece, we value ingredients that are both delicious and healthy. By the way, what is your favorite holiday spice? Cinnamon, cloves, or maybe ginger? Let me know in the comments below. Now, we balance the tartness with honey. Give it a good stir and increase the heat to bring the mixture to a boil. Once it bubbles, immediately turn the heat down to low. We want a gentle simmer, not a rapid boil. And keep the lid off. We want the excess liquid to evaporate so the chutney gets thick and jammy. And here comes the Christmas spirit. Cloves, cinnamon, and cardamom. For heat, I am adding Bukovo. This is a traditional Greek crushed chili flake from northern Greece. It adds a gentle, smoky heat that makes this chutney unique. Finally, apple cider vinegar creates that classic sweet and sour profile we love. Now we practice patience. Let it simmer gently. As the cranberries burst and the apples break down, the sauce thickens and turns a beautiful, deep ruby red. This is the perfect time to hit that like button if you enjoy these relaxing cooking videos. About halfway through, while the mixture is still loose, I hunt for the whole spices. No one wants to bite into a whole clove. When it looks like thick jam, we add the walnuts. Adding them at the very end keeps them crunchy, providing a beautiful contrast to the soft fruit. Heat off. The final touch. Freshly grated nutmeg. Always use fresh. The powder loses flavor quickly. Stored in a clean jar in the fridge, this chutney stays perfect for a month. It gets even better with time. Now the best part, the taste test.
Perfect. Sweet, sour, spicy, and warming. It needs nothing else. Let it cool completely. The texture will get thicker and the flavors will deepen overnight. This sauce is waiting for one thing, that crispy pork belly. That video is coming next, so turn on notifications. You do not want to miss the crunch. Thanks for watching Aegean Healthy Cooking. Kaliorexi!